Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Medium to drive traffic. First, understand that Medium provides a powerful platform with millions of active readers, ready to discover new content. To truly succeed, you must publish high-quality articles regularly, aiming for at least 2 to 3 posts per week. This consistent effort helps establish your presence and builds a loyal following over time. Remember to always provide value to your audience. Crafting engaging content is crucial for attracting and retaining readers on Medium. Start with a captivating headline that clearly communicates the benefit of reading your article. Inside, break up your text into short, digestible paragraphs and use subheadings to improve readability. This makes your content easy to scan and understand. Always conclude with a clear call to action, guiding readers to your website or another relevant piece of content. To maximize your visibility on Medium, submitting your articles to established publications is key. These publications have built-in audiences, significantly increasing your potential reach. Actively engage with other writers by leaving thoughtful comments and clapping for their work. This fosters community and gets your name seen. Additionally, always share your Medium articles on your social media channels to bring external traffic to your profile. Sustaining your growth on Medium involves continuous learning and adaptation. Regularly review your article statistics to understand what resonates most with your audience, focusing on read ratios and engagement. Consider repurposing your most successful articles into different formats, like email newsletters or short videos, to extend their life and reach. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book recommendation and other great deals. Keep experimenting with new topics and approaches to maintain momentum and expand your influence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.